It's my birthday. It's my birthday. Oh my god, y'all. I'm 24. Damn! What? So far today we had a chill day. It's at 1 p.m. right now on the dot. Just want to thank everyone for all the birthday wishes. Just chilling this morning. Just went to Dunkin'. Got some munchkins. We're gonna slowly get ready this afternoon around 2. I got some earmuffs today. I got a fresh retwist thanks to the best godmother ever. I might leave my hair in this side part. So I'm gonna show you guys my outfit. It's really cute. My niece made me a birthday card slash Christmas card. Super cute. Love my niece gown. Thank you, Ava. Let me show you guys my birthday fit. So this is what it looks like. Not wearing these though, but I'm wearing my Timbs, my leg warmers, this 2-piece, my necklace. I gotta find this hat. I don't know where it is. Oh, and I also got these thermal tights from Shein. You know the dangerous weather we're having right now. New York is freezing cold. I'll talk to you guys later when I start getting ready. And yeah. What the heck? Oh god, this is very light.
Stocking stuffers tomorrow.
I will never forget when I find out people did like so.
This black candle go crazy.
No, I can see.
So I got a gift from today, y'all. Let's see what it is.
I put it in 2 bags because I didn't know if that bag was going to break, but the handle was crazy.
Let's take this bag out. Ooh.
It ain't that.
It's heavy though. Got a beautiful color. Oh, is this what I think it is? Is this my perfume?
I had to write that sucker down, boy, because I was like, what is this damn perfume?
And it's pink.
Be careful with these things.
It's good.
All on that. That looks good. It's crazy. This is a crazy portion. Oh my gosh.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Shala. Happy birthday to you. Woo! Thank you. Aww.
Such a beat off. 1, 2, 3. Don't move. Don't move. Yeah, don't move. Don't move. No, I won't be fucking down.
Hey vlog. Say hi everyone.
Let me see if I can take
Mother. If you made it this far to the end, I want to start by saying thank you. This video is more than just a birthday vlog. I also wanted to add a reflection of my 24 years of life filled with growth, lessons, love, and countless memories. I'm grateful for the ups and downs, the triumphs, and the challenges because they've all contributed to the person I am today. I want to take a moment to give a heartfelt appreciation to my incredible mother who has been my rock, my guide, and my biggest supporter. To my late father, whose love and wisdom continue to inspire me every day. I miss you and I carry you in my heart always. To my brother, who's always been my partner in everything, from childhood mischief to adult dreams. Thank you for your unwavering love and support. To all my family members and cousins who have been there through thick and thin, your love and presence mean the world to me. And to my friends who have shared in my joys and held me up during tough times, thank you for being my chosen family. Most importantly, I want to thank God for all the blessings in my life. Without His gratitude and grace, none of this would have been possible. Every moment, every breath, every opportunity is a gift, and I am truly thankful. As I step into this new chapter, I do so with hope, excitement, and my heart full of gratitude. Thank you for being part of this journey and for celebrating with me. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Until next time, stay blessed and keep shining.